Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time.
Never underestimate the cunning of a pirate. Or a fox, for that matter.
Dog goes moo, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes tweet. Cow goes moo, frog goes crow, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks and quack, the fish go blow, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's no sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fuck?